Hello everyone, welcome to the course of mobile application development. In today's class, we are going to see a few concepts related to how to query a database using content providers and how we can insert the content, and not only that, how we can delete and also update the content using content provider or the content resolver. So for these particular commands or the concepts for querying the content providers or for inserting, deleting, and updating, we need to use a particular set of commands or a set of instructions where each and every line will be playing its own role. Okay. Now, in order to query the content provider, querying means in order to search for something or in order to extract results from a cursor. So all these falls under the querying using the content providers. Okay. Now, for querying the content provider, so we can use this particular set of objects like a URI to the content provider you want to query. So these are the different types of methods we follow. A projection that lists the columns you want to include in the result set, and we are also going to use a where clause that defines the rows to be written, and an array of selection of argument strings which are going to be searched for. Okay. Now, all these are included in the form of an instruction. I will be showing you that instruction. So this is the instruction where the querying of the content provider is given by cursor space result cursor equal to cr dot query, and in the brackets it goes like this: my hod content provider dot content underscore URI comma results underscore column comma where arguments comma order. Okay. So here, as we are querying a particular cursor present in the database, here we are considering cursor results cursor and is equal to CR. Here CR stands for content resolver, and what we are trying to do, we are trying to query the database using content resolver or the content provider. Now here we are going for content resolver cr dot query, and here we are using my hod content provider. Here my hod content provider is the third party library or a package which helps in smooth execution of this particular instruction. Now my hod content provider dot content underscore URI. As we have already discussed about the content provider and the content resolver, right? There plays the key code called URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, right? So with respect to the Uniform Resource Identifier URI, we are going to search the results with respect to the columns, and we are also going to use some clauses like where arguments and in which order. Okay. Same way, it will be applicable for the remaining, like inserting the content, deleting and updating the contents. For here, for the inserting content, we are going to use the instruction like content resolver cr equal to get content resolver. This is a method used for the content resolver. And in order to insert the row into the table with respect to the content, we use a command like URI my row URI equal to cr dot insert, and in the bracket it goes like this: my hod content provider dot content underscore URI comma new values. Okay. So here we are going to take the variable like, as we are going to insert a new row, URI my row URI is the new variable and equal to cr is the content resolver, and dot insert is the method or the thing what we are going to see. As we are going to insert a new row, we are using a command like cr dot insert, and my hod content provider is the third party library which goes into the instructions for smooth execution. And with the help of URI, as we need to add a new row into the table with respect to the content, we are going for a content underscore URI. And every time we try to insert a new row, we try to add new values, right? So new values are added over here. Same way, coming to the deleting of the content, we use again the content resolvers, content resolver cr equal to get content resolver method and int delete row count. So if at all you want to delete any row, we'll be giving the variable like int deleted row count equal to cr as usual, content resolver with the delete function, and we have a my hod content provider library, and we have an URI over there, and where which row should be deleted, we will be using for clauses like where and where arguments. And similarly, for updating the content, same way, again, we are going to use the content resolver methods. Content resolver CR equal to get content resolver. And in order to update the content, we are going to use an variable like int updated row count is equal to cr.update, where CR stands for content resolver, and the bracket goes like a row URI, comma, updated values, comma, clauses will be like where and where argument. So these are the basic commands or the instruction which goes into the database management system if you are going to use the insertion, deletion, or updation or querying using content providers. Okay, thank you.